excels with its 1440p HD camera, offering clear and detailed video quality. This doorbell camera features an ultra-wide view, providing comprehensive coverage of your doorstep, which is essential for both security and convenience. It includes night vision capabilities, ensuring visibility even in low-light conditions. This model supports integration with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for voice-controlled operation. It also offers motion and sound detection, which triggers alerts and recordings when activity is detected. The device requires a subscription to access full video recording features, as it does not support local storage. However, a 90-day subscription is included initially. The doorbell's design is compact and weatherproof, rated IP65, making it suitable for various outdoor conditions. The chime is loud enough to be heard throughout a typical home, and the two-way audio feature allows for clear communication with visitors. Additionally, the device can be integrated with other Roku smart home products, enhancing its functionality within a connected home ecosystem.